What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing our brand new and the final grill for the VB chassis. Behind me is our giveaway VB, which by the time this video drops, hopefully the car is out to his new owner. If it is, you can watch that video. If not, the car is still not going out yet. But I'm doing one last mod, which is the new grill that I'm gonna put on the car. I feel like it should go on our VB, but I was like, you know what? Maybe the owner will appreciate this new grill. Currently, we have the V4 grill, which is kind of like the V2 that we see, but with a dash right here. And this insert is optional in color match or non-color match. So this grill looks really good. It's not as popular as the V2 grill we have, but this grill that we're gonna showcase today, it is the final boss of the grill. So, all right guys, here it is. Here's the final grill, the RS. RS stands for rally spec. If you don't know, the VB came out with a rally car. I'll drop the picture here, you can check it out. It's kind of inspired with that, so our team decided to make something crazy, a little bit more aggressive. So compared to the other grills that we have, essentially the top part is kind of the same, but without the insert anymore. You have this badging on top, like a little space right here. You're gonna spot over your factory emblem, put that on easy, and mainly it's right here, look at this. We have a whole hand space of inserts, so it's gonna be really aggressive, kicking up right here, freaking aggressive. Available in color match and obviously gloss black. So this is gonna be the last mod I'm gonna put on the VB because of all the gloss black accents. It's gonna look good. By the way, the car's filthy, so we're gonna wash this. But let's go ahead and swap this over to you guys and let me know what you guys think. Here's a side-by-side comparison. I have about like 3 finger gap or spacing for the V4 grill, and the RS grill have like, I got a lot. So almost like 8-9 fingers. So this is gonna be huge. So let's see what it looks like from the front end. Yo, this is aggressive. Let's sit, but damn, what do you guys think? Damn. Super aggressive. Love it, love it. Okay, I'm gonna put back all the screws and let's see how it looks from the back. Alright guys, the grill's done. That was a quick 10-minute install for the new owner of the car. As you can see, the RS grill is much more aggressive. It's a little bit hard to see in certain angles, but if you get up close to it, like right now, you can see how it comes in and scoops up. I think with a brace bar in the back, it will look fire. And of course, this will be available in color match options. I know a lot of guys want color match options, so if you're interested guys, check the link for the pre-order below. This is gonna be the last grill that we're gonna ever make and produce, so enjoy guys. And by the way, so if you guys aren't entered for the giveaway of this car, it's completely free guys. Check the giveaway videos on our YouTube playlist. We have a lot of submissions already. I don't know how many, Jerry, like at least over 100 mails out of 700 comments, so 600 people are slacking. So good for those who actually put in the effort to write, because I knew that if you're gonna write, people can get lazy and not do it. So shout out to those who write and mail it in. So, oh, by the way, guys, we are moving out of here. Elite Wraps is moving to another shop, and me and Jerry are gonna head back to our shop in the next 3 months. I'll keep you guys posted for that. So meantime, we have a lot of stuff here. So I'm gonna do a quick, Jerry just proposed this really good idea. Because there are so many letters and one winner is winning the car, the first letter will be the winner of the car, and everything else will be like secondary and third place prizes. I don't know what that is yet. So if you don't win the car, you just have a chance to win something else. I think we're gonna do let's do fender flare, and we'll do a cat bag as well. So, anyways guys, so make sure to comment in this video below. This video does not go for the entry, but you know, still comment guys. Let me know if you guys like the grill. You guys prefer this? We have like 4 grills now. No, 5 grills. The V1 Sport Grill, V2 Sport Grill, we have the V3, which is the OEM style, the V4, which we just saw earlier, and now the RS grill. So that's it, enough grills guys. We probably sold over like 10,000, 12,000 grills already, I don't know. But this is gonna be hot. I think this is pretty fire. We're gonna put this on our VB2. All right guys, thanks for watching guys. And we'll catch you guys in the next video, hopefully to announce the winner of this car. See you guys next time, peace.